How to add animations in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or design you want to animate or create a new project by clicking the Create a Design button and selecting the format you need, such as presentation, video or social media post. Once your project opens, select the element, text or object you want to animate. Click on Animate from the top menu to see a variety of animation options in the left-hand panel. Canva offers multiple animation styles such as fade, pan, rise, tumble, and block, which you can apply to your selected element. You can also animate entire pages by selecting the page option to add movement to all elements on a single page. Adjust the animation speed and style to match the mood and flow of your design. To preview your animation, click the play button to see how it looks in real time. You can apply different animations to different elements or pages for a dynamic and engaging design. Now you know how to add animations in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.